garnish on a lot of desserts, and one of the main reasons is because it takes about 2 minutes to prep, and that is because it is one ingredient. All you need is glucose. You spread a little bit of glucose onto a silpat. You need to make sure that it's nice and thin. If it's too thick, then one, it's going to be really kind of awkward for people to eat, and secondly, the bubbles aren't going to be as pronounced. So make sure you spread it nice and thinly onto the silpat. I bake my bubble sugar at about 300 degrees, and depending on the oven that I'm using, I'll bake it for around 30 minutes to an hour. And I know this is a big time difference, but you really need to know your oven and kind of know how quickly it cooks things. What I would do is I would just keep checking and making sure that the sugar isn't burning, obviously. If you want the bubble sugar to actually be clear, you just cook it for a little bit less time. If you want it to be caramelized looking like the ones that I did in this recipe, then you just leave them in for a little bit longer. And you can also actually add color into the glucose before you spread it onto the sheet pan, and you can have colored bubble sugar garnish. I'm gonna roll the recipe, but before I do, make sure you hit the red subscribe button down below.